everybody, welcome back. Today I have another cleaning neglected area video for you. This time it is the top of my refrigerator. Honestly, things just get thrown up there and I just forget about it and haven't touched it in probably a good 3 months. So it's time to get it taken care of, get it all cleaned off, throw away stuff that is not needed anymore. Does anybody else have that problem where their top of the refrigerator just gets cluttered and they don't wipe it down and it's full of dust and dirt? Please let me know in the comments that I am not alone. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed by the dirt. That is ridiculous. I cannot believe I let that get that bad. I really need to start cleaning this, every now and then when I clean my kitchen so it stays nice and clean. Oh, I can't believe I let it get that bad. That is horrible. I just realized it looks like we drink a lot. We really don't. We hardly ever drink. I think that's stuff from like months ago when we had company over and was drinking a little bit. Like I said, we hardly ever drink. But it really looks like we drink a lot. I promise you we do not. Right now I'm just going to clean out this basket and this, I don't know what it is, but it's cute, this container, and clean out all the trash, the stuff that's not needed, and put all the like medicines and antacids and stuff like that in the basket to keep it off the refrigerator itself, because every time somebody goes to grab something, things get knocked off and it's driving me up the wall. I thought this looked a lot cleaner and more manageable, so we'll see how that goes and see if everybody will stop just laying stuff on top of the refrigerator. Alright everybody, that is it for this video. I think it looks so much better. I am so happy with the results. If you like this type of content and want to see more cleaning neglected areas videos, then please hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can get notified when I post a new video. And as always, make sure to give this a big thumbs up. And I will talk to you guys later. So have a great day.